the gift from Coma. And Coma as well, the hostess team. So this one from FOH. Thank you po. I really appreciate the gift. And then we're gonna do unboxing. Unboxing. So first one is from Recess. Here. Okay. This is Trousen kit. There you go. It's color black. It's really my thing. Here. Okay. So next, we will unbox the next gift. This one. We're gonna unwrap this. Okay. Ay, naku. So, actually, nakaana na siya. Wala mo ko na-take care of brain and good. Yan na siya. So, there we go. Like that na siya. So, pangpangon na ito. Not this thing. And, tada! So, it's a wallet. So, machi kaayo. Diba? Wallet and bag. Thank you!